Hello my dear friends, welcome to Serpent Consulting Services. This time we can discuss about how our new product field service management system helps service industries to make their business and service as costly as possible. Actually, the major part of it is done through field service management mobile application, and all the data and tasks are being entered through mobile application only, and that will directly reflect in the ODOO backend of field service management system. So these are the modules which I have already installed in the ODOO backend, and this is field service management dashboard and field service management module. Let us go to the operational process of field service management system. So this is the dashboard, and inside the dashboard you can see unassigned job, rejected job, and open invoices. I shall let you know how all these features are being marked like this. Then inside this I can see service call. Inside service call you can see the list of jobs and unassigned job, that means jobs which are not being assigned to any serviceman. Then rejected job, that means service has been rejected by the serviceman. So likewise, the next one is invoice. Inside the invoices you can see total number of customer invoices, that means the number of invoices generated by the service providing company to the customers. It will be listed down here. The next one is customers. You can see the list of customers in this window, and you can add as many as customers that you like. Next one is employees, and inside the employees you can see serviceman. That means servicemen who provide the service according to the area and location from where the request comes from. The next one is operators. Inside the operators, another category is of employees, and the next one is managers who manages a process. The next one is employees. These employees pretty different from above three mentioned, because the employees who doesn't belong to servicemen, operators, and manager will comes under this employee. That means sales personnel and HR are coming under this. The next one is the products. Inside the products you can add as many as products that you like. Here there are some products which is being listed down according to the service and requirement. You can add your products and its prices. Next one is a report. Inside the report you can see job analysis. That means the total job status can be visible through this tab. Next one is configuration. Inside the configuration you can see the services, what all are the services that you are providing for the customers will be listed down here. You can see the services like AC repair, car washing, electronics repairs, and so on. Next one is the products. Inside the products you can see product categories, that means all saveable. These all are the basic things which comes on the ODOO base itself. Then unit of measuring the product, how the product is being measured, whether it is in kilogram, whether it is in centimeter, or whatever else. The next one is the stages, whether the job status is pending, continuing, in progress, done, cancel. That can be shown through this way. You can create your status by yourself by clicking the create button. The next one is a localization. Inside the localization you can see areas, cities, zones, countries, states, and country group. That means wherever you are providing the service, that can be added here, and you can assign servicemen and in that particular area. Okay, that's all about ODOO backend of field service management system. Let us see how mobile application works for field service management system. This is a mobile application interface of field service management system. Inside you can enter Gmail ID and password to login, and the mobile application is supposed to use by customer and the service provider. So first we can log in as a customer and request for a service. Then how does it changes in the ODOO backend, we can see later. So mail ID and password has been entered, and then click the sign in button. So sign in button has been clicked, so it will create an account and it will keep us logged in. Redirecting, loading, still loading, and it will open up the account. So this is a mobile application interface, and you can see the number of status. So this is the home screen of mobile application, and you can see the number of services that which is being entered through ODOO backend will be reflected here. You can see different types of services like AC repair, car washing, electronics repair, gardener, housekeeper, mobile repair, plumbing, vehicle repair, and so on. You can add as many as services that you like, and as of now, as an example, I am choosing car washing. I am going to click car washing. So car washing has been clicked. As soon as when you click on the icon, it will navigate us to another window. Inside that window you can see current location and another location. This current location, it will fetch the current location and it will save that in the ODOO backend. And suppose if you want to provide service, or if you want to get service for any other person who is away from your current location, you can click this area and choose that person's location, and the service will be provided in that area itself. So as of now I am choosing only current location. Click on the current location area. It will open another interface like this. It has fetched the current location of mine, and I can type the request of mine and so on. I am going to type my request. So I have filled the fields and entered the request of mine. And the next one you can see express service. If you click this button, if you want service as fast as possible, then an extra charge will be detected by the service provider, and your service will be done as fast as they can. Then after entering all these fields, now I am marking it express service. So I have marked as express service. And after that, if I want to add any sort of files or any other photographs if necessary, then I can also add by clicking this camera option. Either my camera or my gallery will be opened up, and I can enter my files inside it. For example, I shall show you by clicking this button. So you can see a pop-up window here. Inside that, add photo, take photo. Inside, by clicking this take photo, your camera will be opened up and you can show the photographs and send that. Then choose from library that if you click on that, then it will be chosen from your gallery, and if you want to cancel that, that can be cancelled. So now I am choosing take a photo. So my camera will be opened up soon. So my camera is being opened up and you can see it here. And after clicking a photograph, I can save that here. I have clicked the photograph. The same photograph has been saved here, and I'm going to submit by clicking the submit button. I click the submit button. So it will be loading. Then my task has been registered, or the request has been registered. I want car washing, and attached to file and new. Now it is in the pending stage. After completing the task by the serviceman, it will move to the done stage, and if it is being cancelled by the serviceman, then it will move to the cancel stage. Let us log in as service provider after getting into ODOO backend again, because we have to log in as admin again in the ODOO backend and assign the task to the employees. Go to ODOO backend again, and this is the dashboard. You can see previously it was 3. Previously it was 2, and now it is being changed to 3. Then go to service calls again. Inside service call, you can see jobs. Instead of going jobs, you can click it from here itself. As of now, I am clicking that unassign jobs. You can see your request. I want car wash. Assign. It is not been assigned to any service provider. Customer, my customer, car washing service. Click on that. Then this window will open up. This is the job ID. I want car wash, and edit it. And by clicking the serviceman, the car washer, the person who does service in your locality from where you are requested from will come up here. It has to be synchronized to the ODOO backend, and I had already shown that to you. Then fetch address. So admin has chosen a service provider in that area, and by clicking this button, fetch address, the address will be fetched over here. From where the request has came from, it will be fetched here. And as we have marked the express service way, this button will be tick mark. If the job has been rejected by a service provider, then this will be rejected. Then this will be tick mark. So as of now, it is not being rejected, so it will be free. Then next is a notify to customer. After job has been assigned, then we can send a notification mail to the customer by clicking this button. So an email interface will open up, and you can customize your mail, and clicking the send button, an email will be sent to the customer's inbox, or the person who requests for the service will reach a mail. So now I'm cancelling this. And next is notify to the serviceman. By clicking this one, regarding the customer details and the service, what he wants will be customized in this mail, and this mail will send to serviceman's inbox. So he will get a notification, he will get an alert that okay, I got a request from this area and this man wants this sort of service, so I have to swing in action. As of now I'm cancelling this mail. Then next is suggest best serviceman. If more than one serviceman are providing the same service there, according to his ability and his talent and his proficiency, you can suggest a best serviceman here. So as of now we have already suggested a serviceman car washer here. Please select service, city, area code suggested. Okay, as of now it has been already suggested because one serviceman is providing that area, so that's why it is not coming up. And what all are the things that you entered through mobile app will reflect here. The customer has entered this for good serviceman need for washing maker. Then it is been entered through mobile application. After once a task has been started, then the timesheet field will be filled, then job card, everything will be filled, and feedback as well, also extra info. Let us go to mobile application again and log in as service provider. This is a mobile application interface of serviceman login. I have entered the serviceman mail ID, password, and going to click the sign in button. As the same way we have clicked in the case of customer login, I am going to click the sign in button. Sign in button has been clicked. It has been navigating to the serviceman's account. It is being navigated, redirecting, and soon it will open the account. So you can see one task in the pending list. I want car wash. On the date, everything will be mentioned here. After confirming it, the service provider will click on the task or the request. Serviceman profile is being opened, and inside that serviceman can see everything like customer mail ID, mobile number, from where the location is being requested, then attachment, that photograph we have showed and sent. Everything will be shown here. Then he can start the job by clicking the start button. So job has been started. Then go to the timesheet. Enter the timesheet by clicking the plus button. You can enter okay, date, on what date he has started the service, and then duration 5 hours. Description: car wash has done. Car wash has done. Okay, then click the submit button. So the task timesheet has been submitted. Then go to the job card again. Click on the plus button. If he has subscribed or he has brought any product for the customer, then he can add that as well. So since he came for car wash, he might brought pipe or any washing equipment. Water spray. Water quantity of 1. Unit price 150 or whatever. Then submit it. So it will be get submitted. It is loading. It will get submit soon. So every status will be visible. Quantity, price, everything will be visible here. After completing all the tasks, he can click done button. That means full cycle of job is been completed. So job is being completed here, and status will be in the done stage. Go to ODOO backend again and go to the dashboard. So it has been assigned and it is been done by the service provider. Click on the jobs and move to unassigned job. You can see on inside the unassigned job it will be empty because it is being already assigned to a service provider. Go to total number of jobs. So click on the job that the customer has requested. Edit it. What all are the things that entered through mobile application will reflect here. Description by the customer, timesheet by the service provider, car washer, car wash has done. He has entered through his mobile application interface. Then job card. Inside the job card he has brought water spray, its price, everything will be mentioned here. Then feedback is being done by the customer. I guess for that again we have to log in in the customer login ID. So it has been logged in as the customer interface. Then go to my request. Click on my request. So inside the my request stage, previously it was in the pending stage, now it is being moved to the done stage. Click on the done stage. So task has been done. Inside the done stage is will be I1 car washing, everything will be done. Then provide feedback. If customer want to give feedback, that can be provided by clicking this area, provide feedback. Customer can give 5-star, it depends on the service. And message, nice service. Nice service has been entered, and click on the done button. So that feedback will be given to the service provider. Go back to ODOO backend again. Refresh it. Which is being get refreshed, and go to the feedback. The same feedback will be reflected. Happy, nice service, and the responded date, and also a smart button will appear here. Feedback, the number of feedback will be appearing here. Then go to the jobs again and click on create invoice button. So after the service, an invoice will be generated for the customer, and customer can give payment for the service. Then click on open invoice. So total invoice will be visible here, that what was paid, that gadget cost including the service charge of the service provider will be shown here. The total sum will be shown here. Then validate it. Then the invoice is being validated, total sum will be visible here, and register payment. Customer has registered the payment, and for the customer he can pay through bank or cash, either of that. Then choose it, validate it. So payment has been done by the customer itself. Then go to customer invoices. Inside the invoice you can see customer invoices. You can see my customer invoice, car wash, everything will be shown here, invoice number, everything. Then go to job analysis. Inside the job analysis you can see car washing status, count 1, everything will be visible here. If you want to see the graph view, that also will be visible. Car washing, it is in the done stage. With the help of colors you can differentiate the status, that is done, completed or in progress. Then go to services again. You can see your status here, car washing. Inside the car washing, one timesheet has been generated for the job, then one document has been entered. That document is a photograph we have taken through the mobile application. So these all are the features which we have added in the field service management system. So that's all about Serpent Consulting Services Field Service Management System. If you have any queries regarding this product, please drop an email to contact@serpentcs.com and log into www.serpentcs.com. Check out our other new products and services. Thanks for watching this video. We are Serpent Consulting Services, where quality, accuracy and time valued the most. Thank you.